how you can change your Facebook page URL and username. So let's just jump right into it. So the first things first, open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged into it. And right here, you will be able to find the pages section. If you're on your personal section, you need to switch to your Facebook page. Tap on switch now and you'll get switched. Now, while it loads, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on settings right here. Tap on settings and this page will load up. Now right here, what you'll need to do is scroll down and under audience and visibility, you'll have to tap on page setup. Now after you're there, you will see the name option. Tap on view name. Now after you do that, here you will see that I have not set up a username. Now setting up your username is important because your Facebook URL is also your Facebook username. So let us just create a username. If you already have that, you will be able to just change it like this too. So make sure that your username is available, and after you do that, tap on save changes. And with that, your Facebook URL and your Facebook username will get changed. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. We can check it by going to our Facebook page right here, and on your URL you will see that we have just changed the URL and it's already on there. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.